Well, hey guys, how y'all doing? And welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs. And today I'm going to be bench testing two cheap Amazon volt amp meters. Both of these meters read volts and amps. This one comes with a shunt and this one doesn't. So my guess is that the one with the shunt is going to be better. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bench test both of these meters with my Klein. I've got a CL800 here that's wrapped around my line side wire, so we can compare the readings on the Klein meter to the readings on these other two meters. I'm going to do these meters one at a time here. We're going to see which one is best, or if either one of them is even worth using. Let's get started. Okay, I'm in Washington State and it's raining really hard right now, so hopefully this audio is going to be okay. But I'm going to go ahead and fire up this water pump and we can take a look at both of the volt amp meters here. Let's see, the Klein says we're pulling 1.29 amps. This other meter is pretty close, 1.31, 1.28. It's kind of bouncing around, but this meter without a shunt actually looks to be pretty accurate. It's close. Okay, let me turn this off, and I'm going to hook the other one up, and we'll see how the other one with the shunt actually does. Okay, let's go ahead and fire this one up that has an actual shunt with it and see how this one does as far as accuracy. Okay, so the Klein meter is saying 1.20 amps, and this one with the shunt is saying 0.9 of an amp. Yeah, it's looking like this guy is actually the clear loser, which surprises me because this one had a shunt. It's got more parts with it, but yeah, it's looking like this is the winner here. This is the one that's going into my box. On a side note, I bought this on Amazon, and there's no way to get the fuse out of here. I popped the fuse and I've tried everything. I don't think there's any way to get this fuse out of this thing. I'm going to contact customer support, and if I can't get the fuse out of here, they're going to get a 1-star review because that is ridiculous. So if the people who made this product are even actually watching right now, let me show you what you need to do. This is a similar product here where you just take the end off of it, take that cap off, and pop out your fuse, and you can change it as needed. Okay, this is really important that you need to be able to do this because people make mistakes, and if there's no way to get this fuse out of here, I mean, there's no way that I'm going to buy another one of these just because I need a new fuse. Okay, we need to fix this. All right, guys, thanks for watching my bench testing video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you next time.